Hey guys, my name is RJ and welcome to my channel. So today's the big day. It's competition time, the prize draw. Who's going to be part of that million Satoshi giveaway? You want to find out? Then keep watching. Okay, so let's get on with it. The prize draw, the big giveaway. 1 million Satoshis. Remember, first prize is 500,000 Satoshis. Second prize is 300,000 Satoshis. And third prize is 200,000 Satoshis. So, sorry it's coming to you a bit late, but some things have happened. I wanted to leave it as late as possible as well, so got as many of you guys being able to see this without having to wake up in the morning to watch it. And also as well, I did have to delete a lot of fake accounts. Basically, I went through every single post. I might well have missed a few as well, but I must have deleted at least 20 plus accounts that were clearly fake. So for those of you that put them on there, obviously you were thinking maybe you were going to get 4 or 5 entries. Well, now you have 0. That's what you get for cheating. So obviously the reason why I've done this and reason why I've been so stringent about this is that I want to make sure that everybody has the fairest and best opportunity to walk away with one of those top 3 prizes. So without further ado, we're going to start the draw. As you can see, I have a spin wheel in front of me. Unfortunately, this spin wheel goes up to 200. We only have 119 entrances after obviously I deleted the fake accounts. So obviously sometimes when we spin this, it might not necessarily land on a winning number, but obviously we will keep going until we fill or have given away all of those prizes and that million Satoshis has been taken. For those of you that do win, or to claim your prize, all you've got to do is simply follow me on Twitter. My Twitter account or address will be in the description. Once you have followed me, I will contact you through a direct message, and then you just have to send me your Bitcoin address. That is all you have to do. Is like I say, follow me on Twitter. As soon as you do, I'll contact you and then send me your Bitcoin address and I will send you the prize. So please, 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 if you are one of the winners, make sure that any addresses that you send to me are correct. I cannot be held responsible for people inputting their Bitcoin address incorrectly. So make sure that it is correct. Copy and paste it direct from your wallet or anything, and also read back over it so when you press send, you know that I'm getting your correct Bitcoin address. Okay, so here we go. I have to say I am pretty excited and I hope you guys are as well. Okay, so we're spinning, and the first prize goes, well, this is third prize, so third prize goes to number 8. So number 8 is Tony Bon. Tony is from Athens, Greece. So Tony has just won 200,000 Satoshi. So well done, Tony, you have claimed third prize. Well done. Okay, so I'm just making a note of that and we'll get on to the next winner. Admittedly, this could be a total anticlimax in the sense of that we could just get 3 straight winners. But you never know, we might have a bit of suspense. Okay, so the next prize goes to, so this is for second prize, that is going to 55. That is 55 is Passist Falco, is that? So also that would be your YouTube name. So your first name is Khaled. City is was it Gardia? Gardia? I'm sorry guys if I'm pronouncing this incorrectly. And he's from Algeria. So you have just taken 300,000 Satoshi. So well done. So that is second prize gone there. So this is the big one. So this is 500,000 Satoshis. So that's probably getting close to around about $50, which is not bad. You know, I think that's a pretty cool giveaway prize. And obviously, you know, all of you guys, thank you very much for being part of my channel. For all of you that have subscribed recently, massive thank you. And obviously a massive thank you to all of those that have been with me for such a long time and supporting me. It's been great having you. And I love all your comments and everything that you post below the videos. And I just thought, you know, to finish off the year, this would just be a nice way. Obviously, you all had the opportunity to be part of this. And, you know, obviously it's just a little bit more special for those people that do win. You know, so, okay, let's go. This is 500,000 Satoshis. 91. I can't believe we've had 3 winners straight off. Okay, so this goes to, congrats to Brad in Phoenix, USA. His YouTube is InfoGBSemi. That is his YouTube name, and his name is Brad from Phoenix in the USA. So big congratulations to you, Brad. You have just claimed 500,000 Satoshis. First prize. Absolutely brilliant. So, for those of you that didn't win, obviously, commiserations. For those of you that did, brilliant, absolutely great. Big congratulations. And if I can, I will be. This is not. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping this will not actually be the last video I do for the year. I'm hoping I will sneak one in sometime next week. So keep posted for that. And but if I don't manage to, I just want to say, obviously, for those of you that do celebrate it, have a great Christmas. And for those of you that don't, have a brilliant time over the what is left of the 2019 period. And I wish all of you a happy new year, happy 2020, and let's keep up those crypto coins coming into our wallets. But like I say, I will try and sneak another one in just before Christmas. And but for those of you that this is your first time visiting my channel, if you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, about crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my videos as they come online. And if you could smash that like button, it really helps out my channel, which helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon, hopefully before next year. Thanks a lot. Bye.